Popcorn. What's up guys, I'm Reese. Welcome back to the industry. We're going to be fixing the Subaru. It's EJ15, fucking piece of shit. It's not that good, but we're going to fix the valve cover gasket. Was that the one you were talking about? Valve cover gasket? Yep. I think it was. Yeah, we're going to be fixing the valve cover gasket on it. She's coughing and sputtering, so we'll see how that goes. Me and old Kev are gonna give it a go. Hopefully get it done by this afternoon, but who knows.
What the hell?
G'day guys, we're in the car, we're on the way. Sponsored by Super Cheap Auto. Got a gift card here. Gonna hopefully splurge a little.
You're leaking coolant or something.
Huh? That might have been the AC.
Oh yeah.
Possibly.
Nah, that's easy.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Sorry brother.
Why is he speeding up, that idiot?
He just got real mad at me. Squirt.
Open the door. Safety first. Except I don't have steel caps here, so I'm gonna use my shoes.
Hey buddy.
Hey mate. Hi! What are you doing?
Just going on, I was just picking up my car from Danelle's place.
Oh, yeah? Well, do you want to come help me and Kevin fix the Subi?
Do I want to come? It's a bit of a weird thing going Saturday morning.
Oh, hey man. Well, you're going to be coming tonight anyway.
What's wrong with the Subi?
Everything's wrong with the Subi. No, we're replacing the rocker cover gasket, bro. Yeah, bro. Will do. See ya. Wait. He's coming. Once again, sponsored by
Red Bull. You guys see this? Check this out. You guys should sponsor me. I need some new wheels. So there is a few 10mm bolts that you need to take off from the rocket covers. Take this off first though. Remove your battery.
Yeah, get the battery out. So we don't electrocute ourselves.
Whilst you become the god of thunder. That's what's loose anyways, bro. And yeah, from there, just do that. Get something to hold it, maybe a rag. Let's go do that right now. Polishing. Anyway.
Fuck! Fuck that can.
Get in there, you cunt. Is that even a 10mm?
Gotta grab the gloves because it's a bit hot. I was driving her for the last like 2 hours today, so she's a bit hot.
I just burnt my clean.
I don't know if rubber gloves are gonna do the job, but we'll see.
She'll be right.
Can't even tell he's wearing gloves because it's black on black. Prostate cheek. It's like a mini dick or something.
What's up with the socket? Why are you doing this?
Here we go again. I think love is just like money. How it blows in the wind. Got me taking medicine. This is not no vitamin. I thought that we
Work it. Oh, fuck. Top. EJ 15. Literally his, but that thing. Without the
-5. He's got 5 more horsepower. Slap up.
Yeah, those ones are good. Nah, there we go. She's off.
Oh fuck, that's hot.
Engine.
You can see the other.
Damn.
Damn, I feel like that should not be looking like that much oil. What we're doing now is we're just putting in the new gasket. Just goes around the edge of the, what do you call that, the plate?
The thingamajiggy. The rock cover.
Thingamajiggy. Rock cover. Oh no. There's that. The blue one here. The blue here is quite nice. This is the old one. In some areas it's frayed a bit. It looks a little bit bundy. Gross. Let's start lower.
Motherfucker. We need to replace these.
Oh, yeah. And for the third time today, he's gone and arrived. Coming back with... What's he coming back with again? Yeah, paint stripper. Because he wants to do something to his rims because they look like dog balls. Show us what you got. Show us what you got.
I was reading it before, but it says don't use on rubber. So
Ooh,
we'll see how it goes.
on the wheels. Oh, not the vape.
It's running away.
It's running away. Yep. Once again, sponsored by Monster.
Red Bull.
Gotta connect the battery. That started up.
Got it.
Yeah. So it was like not as long to turn over.
Sounds better.
Sounds better, eh? I'm a bit shocked right now. EJ 15. Gaining revs a lot easier. Holding the revs. Yeah.
So we're gonna actually replace the other gasket on the left hand side.
We did the first side pretty quickly, so we might be able to do this one even quicker because we've both got stuff to do. So, other side's back on.
Ooh, back.
Back sore. Oh, there it is.
That was a good pop. Okay, how did I take this off last time? Anyways, yeah, that's the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. If you guys need any auto repairs, come over to the industry in Wollaston. Bring your cars. Probably steal some parts off it, but yeah. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.